Morning everyone. We will start the topic called format as table. Here it is the option. Conditional formatting we have seen. Uh, these are color filters. Data bars we have seen. Top bottom rules. You can select or highlight cells, everything. Even icon sections we have seen. So having no rules after learning formulas, you can by applying a formula as condition, you can format the cells. So those things you can try them later when you learn the formulas. So today we'll discuss about format as table. Here I have some data, employee name, designation, basic salary, HRA, and deductions. Some data is there. Let us consider this data as some employee salary data. So in Excel, it seems to be as a table with a few headers, and we gave a name as employee salary table, employee salary data, like that. So usually we think this is the table, employee salary table, like that, but actually it is not at all a table. It has a headers, it has some data, it has some formats. Header has some color format. All the rows have some other color format like this, but this is not a table. We call it as a normal range. Call it as a range. So what is the difference between this table and range? I'll show you. Let me select this data, Control C, and paste it here. Paste values. I'll do this. We got this data. Now I would like to create a table for this data. Select this. Let me select this range and choose the option format as table. You can select any colors. It was asking the range. Yes, where the data table we have selected the range, and the range you can see here the range is selected. It was asking whether your table has headers or not. Yes, my table has headers, employee name and all. Check this. You got this table. Then I'll show you the differences between the normal range and the table format as table. Let us assume these two are same colors. This is also blue. It doesn't have this banded alternate colors. So when I'm new to Excel, I think both of these two are same only. This is also table. This is also table. No, you can consider a particular range as table when you click on that particular area inside this range. You will see an option called table design. When you go here in the normal range, you won't see the option called table design. Then you will consider that it is a normal range. When you get this option called table design, then that particular range is a table. We'll go to this table design. We have so many options. We'll see what are. Let it be green color. No, whatever waveform select this size. Yes. No. You how much data you'll have? Range select చేసుకొని మనం ఇస్తాం కదా format as table and click చేసాం. Format as table. I'll do it again. I'll show you. I'm copying this. Control C and paste Alt ES, paste values I'm doing. The selected Alt ES, paste special. I'm pasting only values. I don't want the formats. Paste special. You can click anywhere. Format as table. Select any. Now it was already. It was asking the range. Where is the data for your table? My data is this one. Complete this range. You select me. That is I62 M84. I6 is this. Yes, this is the range. Sorry. All otherwise you can click on this, select this, enter range. With this, select this option. My table has errors. Click OK. You'll get this format as table. The difference between normal range and this is you will get the option when if you want to know whether it is a normal range or table. If it is a table, you will get the option this tab called table design. I have created this table. I want to convert this table into normal range. I'll show it to you. So how can we use this? How can we have same? It is similar kind of. Both are looking to me very similar, but what are the main differences? Let me go down. Okay, I have this Lakshmi Vanilla, some employee who is a tester. Oh, what is this? This is her total salary, or it is HRA. If I want to know, I should scroll this up. Oh, okay, this column is basic salary. Okay, let us suppose. Okay, I don't know what was this headers. It was not showing. If I want to know the headers, control up arrow. Okay, this is the HRA. Whereas in the table, you scroll down, you click here, it was showing, okay, this is the designation, okay, this is the basic salary. Whereas in the normal range, you need to scroll upside to know the basic, whether which column it is. If you want to know the column headers, you need to scroll up. This is the small range. You can scroll in the 84. You can you'll pick control up arrow. It will get it. If you want to go again to that 84, I mean particular cell. Okay, so rupees 40, 57,000. Oh, this is basic salary or deductions. I'll go here. Basic salary. I need to again search for rupees 40 where it is. Whereas here, Ankit some name or else Sunil Kumar, it is there. You'll scroll down, select anywhere. You'll scroll down, click on this. You'll get the title. That is the main advantage of the table. Next thing, let us create calculate the net salary. This is the net salary. Net salary means basic salary plus HRA minus deductions. This gives the net salary. Okay, drag it down. I got the net salary. Yes. You'll go to this cell. You'll find this plus one. Double click it. It will fill the down. What? You can type it here or you can type within the cell. Double click and you can type the cell. Or you can select this cell and type the formula. Right there. Yes. Yes. Select this cell. I want to write formula here. Equal to basic salary plus HRA minus deductions. Control enter. I will press enter. Drag it. See, these are in blue color. Yeah, I did the double click, or else you can drag down. Like this. You can drag it down, or this understand like this. It has some range till the table down. Like if you double click it till the end value, it will formula will be populated. So okay, here I have these colors. Blue color here I did not get the format. I'll go here. Okay, I want this blue color. I'll select. But this blue color and this blue color are not same. Let us try the same here. Calculate the net salary. See here, no, I need not worry about the format of the this particular color thing. Okay, let us write the net salary formula. Basic salary plus HRA minus deductions. Previous form. Basic salary plus HRA minus deductions. I need not to drag the formula down. I need not drag the formula down. Automatically it fills the entire table. See, if you observe the formula also, it was giving us the okay, net salary means basic salary plus HRA minus deductions. Whereas here D7 plus D7. What is D7? I need to go here and then okay, in the D7 we have this basic salary column. In A7 we have this HRA like that. Here you need not to worry about that. It will clearly show what was done in this particular, what formula was written with respect to what records are what which columns are which records. So that is the advantage. Another thing, let me show you. Okay, you have created the table. I would like to change it to normal range again. Go here. You want to select the entire. I've selected this entire range. If you want to select the entire table, you hover on this, you'll get that arrow mark. You'll click on this, it will select the entire range. Whereas here, you need to do the control A, or else if you let us assume this particular column, this particular row is deleted. If you do control A, it will select here only. It would not go here. Okay. The problem it wouldn't have. If you want to select only deductions column, you can select like this. Want to select this, you can select it. Delete one row here, you can select the total. Yes, yes. You can select the entire column, entire table. You go here and you can select. If you want to select this particular row, you could wait over it on, and you'll see this arrow mark. So, another thing. Okay, let me select this entire table. Go to table design, convert to range. Let us do it. We can do control C. I'll convert it to range because I am not getting this table design option. If you see this formula, it was taking format as table, some K7 format as table is the sheet name. When you observe, it would take the sheet name with this particular cell value, cell reference. That would be the difference. Yeah, it is again a table. Let me talk about this filters. I have designations here. I would like to know what are the designations are present. There is unless, there is CO, there is DB, all the unique values. Here you will have the duplicate values. Select this. I would like to see the analyst data. Click OK. You will get the data related to analyst. No filter for tables. Automatically the filters will be applied. Automatically the for format table filters. If you want to apply filters, select this anywhere. Go to this data option called filter. I'll explain it. Or else Control Shift L is the shortcut. Control Shift L. Control Shift L. Filter on, filter off. Wow. Middle of two rows add cell. Go here. Right click here. You will get option called insert. You should click it properly. You can add it here. I guess. Insert column. For one by one only you can add one by one. Here also you will get that option inserting the rows. You can insert here. If you select this properly, you will get that option. So now I would like to here I don't want to select this option everyone like this. I would like to automate that. Let me clear this. Be anywhere here. Go to the table design. I have an option called insert slicer. Slicers will insert for this. Let us take employee name and designation. Two slicers I am selecting. Click OK. I bought this two slicers. Table design. Go to this table design. Table design. Insert slicer. If you go on to the slide, if you go onto this slicer, you'll get the slicer option. Slicer related thing. So let's talk about this. Designation is there. So I would like to look about the data who are analysts. See here, all the data related to analyst I am getting here. Not only it was showing in this table, but also we have selected this in this slicer also who are the employees who are employees designation having analyst. Those cells are highlighted. Those employee names are highlighted. Rest of the names are in disabled mode. I want to select the CEO. Only one CEO, who is the CEO, and only her name is highlighted. Rest of the employees are in. I would like to select two. I would like to show analyst along with who is the and manager. But if you want to select two options, click control, hold the control, and select. So I got the data managers and analysts here. Okay. Here also you can. These are all employees who are analysts and managers. It will show. Yes. I would like to view this in the not only I need not to scroll down like this inside the filter. I would like to see this employee names in two columns. You can have them here, slicer. You have this option here, columns. You'll get two columns. You'll get three columns. Is this can have the names in the two columns. Even this also you can do that. For this also you can have an option. Select this, go to the slicer, use the columns, or increase the height of particular thing, which you can do formats whatever design, when you can give the colors also like this. Understood? This is about the slicer. Clicking analyst, all the analysts can join. And clicking DB, all the who are database and developers. Who is a developer? All them. Or else if I want to let me clear this, I would like to know get the details of particular employee. Some Balaji is there. I will get the only his details. Okay. See, if I am clicking here Balaji, here he is a manager. Only that value is highlighted. Okay. If I'm selecting some Divya, she's an analyst. Only here only designation is highlighted. Yeah. Understood? Till here. We'll talk about. Let me create a. I have some product list. Product 1 to 7. I would like to do this drop down. Will create the drop down. We'll have the drop down spread. So I would like to see these products in the form of drop. For that, how we can do? Go to data. We'll have the option called data validation. The data tab. You'll click in home, insert, page layout, formulas. We have data tab. In the data tools section is there. In that we'll have this data validation. Click on that. Allow any value it was shown. No, I would like a list. Like to have a drop down list. Source. What is the source for the data? Select this. Click OK. Go to data tab. Validation. Select the list. Sources. These products. Okay. I have got the product list. Here you cannot type like other. If you try to type high, so this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. You cannot type whatever data you wanted to type when you created the data drop down list. You can try this product one. It would accept. Yeah, it is place capital. Product 2 I am typing. Okay. There is a space. Sorry. It would accept whatever data inside this drop down list. That data only it would accept. Now I would like to add 2 more products. Like the listen, product 8 and 9. These 2 products should reflect in this drop down, right? When I check, no, it was not getting. What I will do, I will go to this data validation list. I'll select the list again. Okay. I need to update the list. I got the list here. In this. That's my bad. I selected the wrong support. I have got the list here. 8 products. You can update in the same thing also. Go to here. Data validation. Get the list. It was there with until 7th product only. No, until 9th product I want. That is X7 to X15. Will you get it? No, I would like to have this daily. I can't do this manually daily going here, adding two more products, and go to data validation and updating the source. No, I don't want to do that. Let us make it dynamic. Daily, whatever you'll have hundreds of products adding in your list. Daily, whatever it was getting here, it should update in the drop. For that, I have this data here. Let me take a copy of this and also paste values, paste cell values. Let us make it as a format as table. Click on this. This is the range. My table has a headers. Product list has my header. Okay. Now it is a table. Let us create a drop down for this list. Go here, go to data, data validation, list, sources, this center table. I got this product list. Now let me add two more products here. Drag it out. Up to 15 I'm adding. See, as like in this normal range, you need not go to data validation and update the source range like that. You can go here, find this products up to 50. That is the advantage of this particular format as table. If it is a format as table, it dynamically adds the products. That is the main difference. So where this option can be used in this daily, you will be, suppose there is a more supermarket or any supermarket kind of daily, they'll have a new stock and new products. They need to maintain the list. If you are doing online shopping like Amazon or Flipkart, their products, they need to add the products and dump them, maintain the drop down list. If you have option called, you need to select the option product in the option. You need to maintain that daily. They cannot add here and update the source. So they'll, if they are Excel users, they are advanced tools and technologies to maintain. So if they are using Excel, they'll use this option. So if you observe, basically if you consider this range table, I would like to let me see. I would like to know the total salary, total net salary of all the employees. Go to this table design. You will have options called total row. See total. I got this total. So if you want to know the total basic salary also, you'll have this drop down. You can have a sum. You can have the maximum HRA like this. Normally, if I want to do the sum here, I need to select this entire range. I get the sum. If in future there is an employee called ABC, I would like to add the detail. I need to delete this add details DEF like this two employees. Then I need to do the sum here again. Whereas this table, you remove this, delete the row, Delete rows you need to do. Delete columns will center column it will. Delete the row. Add employees A B C D E F H I. Like this, you add it. You can simply go here. Uh, Go here, table design. Go to this, select this total row. You will get the totals. This means you need not you will not require this manual work to do. In simple click of simple clicks you can get the results like that. Here also in the product list also, the product list also there will be number of products keep on adding. If you need to update this drop down for every product daily, it is a repetitive task. But if you convert that normal range as format as table, you can have it as a dynamic method. Understood? Yes. Uh, right, sir. Right, sir. If you select, if you are in this table, you will get this option called table design. If you are on the slicer, if you click here, you will get the option called slicer. If you are out of both of them, you will not see the option. Okay. That is different slicer. For this table, you are creating a slicer. Okay. Here. Here are products and their sales price. Like I would like to, it is in the format as table. I'd like to have, I would like to show this data in the chart. Let me select this, and Alt F1 is the shortcut keeper in this chart to insert the chart. So it was showing some data for product one. It was some bars. It was showing Alt plus F1. So if I add another product, like another two products, something 35,000 or 40,000. See, automatically it was adding the data bars because it's possible in large data. We can see because it's the small data. Yes, even for large data also, it would show rows and bars. But you learn that in the bulk data for big company. The diagram will be big. It might be it can be big. It can be big, or it would change this intervals. These intervals it would change in the, or else it might take see in charts you will have graphical representation. For example, I am giving like this. You might have like it's a large 0 to 100 or 0 to 1000. It would take some, or if it consolidate all these values and represent in one bar. That we call it as scaling. We'll learn that in the charts and all. Usually in our schooling also, we'll write the scale like 0.5 as 1 unit, or 2 centimeters as 1 unit, because the space is not sufficient. Similar kind of thing only we'll do here. We have bulk data, we'll scale that, we'll reduce that, and in presentable way we'll do. So here is the normal range. This is the formatter table. This list, but here it is the normal range. You select this. For this, I got this chart. You cannot, if you add any new product here, you're not the see the change with this because it is a normal range. Whereas here it is a format as table. You can dynamically, if you keep on adding products, you can get the chart updated here. Right? That is the use of this format as table. Yes, yes. I hope you understand this format as table. It was clear. What all we discussed, the main differences between normal range and format as table. If we write any formula, you need not to apply it for entire range or drag or apply the cell.
So, the every advantage or the each and every advantage of making a table is in this table, right? So, what is the use of that format range?
This range,
How will anyone use it?
normal data, you need to store the data. You need to present. You don't want to do you don't want to do any calculation.
Okay.
You just want to store the data simply. You can store it as a range. Suppose
We can store, but
see,
all the advantages are there in this one. So that storing the data in that, instead of storing in that, directly if they store in this, if just scrolling down and seeing any headings or they have advantages here only, no? Then why they store in
yes,
that?
they have advantages with the tabular format. But sometimes people don't want to see it as the table. Sometimes they might want to show it as in the normal range only. They, they don't want
They don't want designs
or some
plain data.
just plain data, raw data they want to store. In such cases, you can have this normal. See here also some employee names are there. Simply employee names are this particular. You need to show the employee for if you want to show the employee names. You need not to make this as a format as you just show the names. In that cases, you'll use the normal.
One of the examples are already have typed everything. So you have typed in each and every single cell or
I got this data somewhere. We got this data like getting the data from anywhere, any raw data. We
no in
see
company,
basically how uh, uh, we have this IPL T20. Starts. So this is the latest statistics of this current IPL. So you'll have like what you can get this data into the Excel using this option. Get data from online services like that. You select this. I think this is not this 365. This is 2021 version. It would ask to paste the URL. You'll have this URL. You'll copy it and you'll paste it here. It fetches the data from there. Like that only usually people who are working here in the Excel, they'll get the data from databases, multiple sources. From their cloud, they will get.
how their company is going to them.
Yes, it depends on the company. Understood, right?
Yeah.
And that's it for today. I'll close this class for now. Tomorrow we'll discuss other topics.